Hi guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Madin. In the world of graduate marine engineering, let's talk about Great Eastern today. So Great Eastern is a big company, guys. अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत भी स्टॉक्स पता है तो आप इंडियन गवर्नमेंट में अगर देखेंगे, it's a very very rich company. But they are doing a lots of businesses. उसमें से उनका एक business है shipping, जिसमें this company was founded in 1948 by Chetan Bhiwandi wala families. Headquarters are in Mumbai. Oldest and the respected shipping companies हैं. Ownership company with strong Indian roots. They've got 38 ships, office in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, workforce 1000 plus employees, a strong Indian owned global shipping brand. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है that when it comes to Great Eastern, जब हम कॉलेज तब भी जाना जाता बहुत अच्छा है, they pay good salaries. बट आज की डेट में जब ग्रेट ईस्टर्न की बात करता हूँ तो एक कंसर्न दैट कम्स टू माय माइंड इज द वेटिंग पीरियड. सो व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रेट ईस्टर्न टू यू गाइस, always check out the waiting period on the merchant navy star type or whether it is on recommended list or not. The simple reason is कि there was a time when Great Eastern was very good with that. They had just 38 ships, but they have this own college and there were a lot of students coming. But they used to have a lot of shipping companies visiting them, and they used to make sure that the students are going there. But in the last few years, things have stopped that way, and the waiting period has certainly become a concern or an issue. So just putting from my end, with no harm to anybody, this is what I feel is right, or this is what the stats that I have got. Graduate marriage intake is, they have got 3 intakes, 40 seats in January, July, October. Exam is online mode from home. Exam duration 1 hour. Approved institutes is Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. Training partners में अभी MSc and BSM they still say they are coming. And अगर कोई भी अपडेट रहेगा तो विल बी शेयरिंग ऑन द मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्टअप दैट यू बी कैन बी रिलैक्स विद. कोर्स फीस इज 6,50,000 rupees. Medical fitness calculator, knowing about the eyesight, everything is available on the merchant navy startup. You can get the guidance there. So BE BTech in mechanical engineering or marine engineering from a non-DG approved, or a naval architect engineering if you've got minimum 50% aggregate in degree. All semesters should be cleared with no backlog. Eligibility 50% in 10th or 12th or degree. Age limit is maximum 20 years on the course commencement date. Now guys, these are the things that is written out here. If you're getting confused, go to Merchant Navy Start app, go to the GME section, go to the eligibility calculator, put all the things that the calculator is asking. They will tell you whether you're eligible for the Great Eastern or not. Medical requirement में 6/12 in each eye, or 6/9 in the best eye, and 6/18 in the worst eye. No height and weight criteria is also given out here. No color blindness. If you've got any doubt, again in the medical fitness calculator of the Merchant Navy Start app. So selection process is online test, then psychometric test, then interview, then final shortlisting. All shortlisting candidates will be contacted via mail. Interview के बारे में जानना है, again Merchant Navy Start app, go to the free guidance information center. You can find the how the interviews are conducted, what all is being asked there. In the online test, 60 questions, subjects covered: mechanical engineering, reasoning, English, basic maths, no negative marking, objective type, online examination. Again, for this preparation, daily a quiz is being held on the Merchant Navy Start app, and if you are a winner on the monthly basis, you get some reward as well. Copy it, guys. Aptitude and speed test के अंदर total 72 questions, 12 minutes is there. Subject is English, aptitude, mechanical engineering, basic maths, designed to test speed, accuracy and decision making. Why choose Great Eastern? Legacy and stability. Yes. इंडियन ओनरशिप एडवांटेज. देखिए जहाँ तक मैं जब भी बात करूँगा येस देर इज एडवांटेज ऑन इंडियन कंपनी. इंडियन फूड रहेगा, इंडियन खाना रहेगा, फास्टर प्रमोशंस है गाइस, सैलरी इज कॉम्पिटिटिव इन दी ग्रेट ईस्टर्न शिपिंग कंपनी. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू ग्रेट ईस्टर्न, मैं सिर्फ वेटिंग पीरियड को लेकर थोड़ा सा कंसर्न रहता हूँ, ये मैं आपसे जरूर कह सकता हूँ. स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑन बोर्ड फैसिलिटीज, बैलेंस सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर, अ ट्रस्टेड चॉइस फॉर एस्पायरिंग मरीन इंजीनियर्स. Please download this app. It will keep you updating about the salary structure, about the waiting period, so that you know that and you keep your mindset clear. This Merchant Navy Startup has got everything that I was talking about before in the video. Last but not the least, if you are eligible for a top-notch shipping company, please go there. And for that, even if you need professional help, SMVD Marine Academy offline coaching is in Dehradun. 2025 में to be precise, 153 students got into the dream company. The results are on their YouTube channel or on their Instagram. If still you have got any query, want to prepare yourself, you can contact this number or the number given in the description box or on the website of SMVD Marine Academy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.